properly installed right. So we're opening and unveiling brand new welder that we got for a incredible deal. Considering its price, it has a lot of power output at 90 amps. I don't know what the hell its duty cycle is. We'll definitely have to put the grab handle on, since they don't want to put this on there when they're packaging the damn thing. Oh hell no! You know, the box would end up having to be a whole 2 inches taller, and we can't have that. Alright, so we have our gun here. With a standard tip. And then we have our grounding clamp.
Pretty light duty, the grounding clamp.
Very light duty. This kind of thing ain't made for professional use, it's made for occasional use. Right, and then it has its power cord, which is nice that it's a standard 110, you know, in comparison to trying to match it to the 220.
It's a small plug-in for a 220 welder. This is like a refrigerator size, air conditioner size plug-in. You need the big motherfucker that like for a dryer. That's what you need. Yeah, exactly.
Alright, now it has a cover that tells you its part numbers and shit for the welding wires and so on. And as Wheels had said, it comes with an additional tips. And I have no idea what the hell this is for yet. It's probably a gun protector. And there's our screws for the handle.
Oh, you just gotta squeeze that thing, it looks like. There you go.
And we'll put the spool onto the feeder, and this is supposed to go in here. So we're supposed to loosen the pressure adjust device, which is this, then open the pressure adjust device.
Pull towards you.
Okay. Then open the pressure arm. Place the end of the wire into here, feeding it over the feed roll. And then it has to go back into this little hole here.
Yep, but it has to be in the right groove.
So the 30 is the outside one, according to the diagram, because there are 2 of them here. And then we can put this into the gun feed, which we did. That's the pressure arm, so we'll put that down. Then close the pressure adjust device. Tighten it to snug. It's fairly loose.
Very loose. Now you're ready to rock.
I guess.
Pull the trigger, good to go. Voltage is just a switch on this one. Minimum or maximum. That's all you get. Got to start with it on minimum. And I will turn our wire speed to 5 like it suggests in the manual.
So you have to take this off too?
Yep,
Okay.
that's what it says. I wouldn't, but that's what the directions say. Off and on one more time.
That's on. That's off.
Feels like there's power at off and none at on. Yeah, there's 100% power at off and none on. So turn it off and pull the trigger.
Ah! All right, so what we have found out now, the universal signal for being on most electric is the circle with the line in it, means on. Normally.
No, that means power. That's the power button if there's only one. When you complete the circuit, it should be no circle.
So it seems to be working now on the other setting for the power switch.
Down for the
Down
power
is
switch.
on.
Feed some wire into that thing. Let's see it come out.
All
the
right,
end
so
here.
what do we want?
Let's pull the trigger. Pull the trigger till something comes out.
Yeah, it's gonna take a while, isn't it?
Yeah, you know.
Is it
25
spooling
seconds or
properly?
so. Looks like it. Yeah, it's rolling.
I can feel it. Now what is this?
I don't know.
Why is this spring coming out?
I don't know.
There she is.
Got wire. I don't know what's up with the spring coming out the end though.
I wonder if this door, no?
Oh, it just goes back in. Okay. Alright, we got this welder just for exhaust, pretty much primarily for exhaust work, so we're gonna give it a shot on some exhaust we got here, some little extra stuff. Hovered a little long in one spot there, put a hole in it, but it does penetrate even on minimum. That's a little better.
That's at what setting?
Minimum. I slowed the speed down to 3 though. Seems like half circles aren't good on at least this material anyway. Not awful for working on dirty metal. None of these welds are very nice though, actually. I guess it's a little different too when you're not adding any metal, you're just welding, you're not joining anything. None of these beads look worth a though. And I know that I'm not a good welder, but still.
Alright, the idea is simply to tack the fender back onto the trailer somewhat, and then we're going to try and figure out a better way to attach it to the trailer, but we want this loose thing tightened up some, so we're just going to give it a blast here. We'll see if anything happens. Speed is too fast for this. Definitely need to practice with this thing. It seems as though hold.
Oh yeah.
And that's all that we need.
Flapping around in the wind anymore.
More But yeah, and more practice with it though. I haven't done this style. I've only done the arc welding before, and that was hilarious in itself.
It'll hold until we can drive it to someone who's got more experience, for sure.
Right. There you go.
Sure, you pretty much get what you pay for, but it looks like this thing will do at least what we needed to do around here.